Welcome to Hela, a heartwarming open-world adventure inspired by northern Sweden. Play as a small but agile mouse and explore forests, blooming meadows, and misty mares. Journey alone or together and discover the joy hidden in the smallest moments. In Hela, nature is more than a setting. Through the music and sound design, it becomes a presence almost like a character of its own. The world reflects values near and dear to the team. Respect for nature, being in harmony with the land, and the importance of finding the time to slow down and take it all in. This is a story about harmony and balance. For centuries, a kind witch has protected this land and the creatures who live here. But as she's fallen ill, her spells are fading and she can't do it all by herself anymore. Now it's up to you to go out into the world and help all who live here, big and small. When you step into Hela, you step into a world inspired by real places in northern Sweden. These are landscapes the team knows by heart. Forests, meadows, rocky coastlines, and misty mares. Places they explore themselves, capturing the details that will later bring this world to life. Nature is more than a backdrop. It's a place to explore, experiment, and play. A place where small discoveries bring joy, where you can pause and leave daily worries behind. And where forest creatures may become your guides along the way. Music in Hela tells its own story. It responds to the world around you, but never overwhelms it. Each area of the map has its own theme, with the melodies and instruments reflecting the characters you will find there. The music is fuller and clearer near homes and settlements. More ambient in the forest, leaving space for silence and the natural sounds of the world. Hela blends exploration, cooperation, and a deep love for the natural world. With music by Frida Johansson and Henrik Oja, composers known for their work on the Unravel series, the game invites players to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with what truly matters.